Here is how you use the discounted seconds section of Anya's shop. Go to Shop All, and under Collections, you will find Discounted Seconds. Click there. Then you can use the filters to help you hone in on the exact size and style you're looking for. You can see a bunch of different styles, colors, and then shoe sizes. So I'm going to click 38 because that's my typical shoe size and see what I find. There's 25 options in a size 38. And after I'm seeing what's there, I want to hone it down a little bit more, and I'm just going to click boots this time. There's 8 boots in a size 38. And this is what I'm seeing here. I can browse through that. And then I can even do it further and narrow it down by brand. Let's see which ones are only groundies because I know that brand fits me well. You can then go back and uncheck any filters in order to see all the options again. This section is constantly changing as we add new brands and models, and they're always discounted. Some are as low as $50 right now. So keep an eye on it, and happy shopping.